Hi guys, it's Gaming with True.
If you get to hear me now.
So guys, let's start how to make a intro. So guys, let's start. Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to show how to make a intro. So guys, if you're YouTubers and want to make new intros, this video will be very helpful to you guys. So guys, let's start it. How to make a intro. Very cool intros will be there. So guys, I will give you the link in the description, the site's description. So guys, let's start now. Let's go to Google and search Panzoid. Panzoid, here's it. We are in the Panzoid guys, and I will give you the link where to go. So guys, we can also search here. So let's go to any of the backgrounds. So guys, if you want to log into this Panzoid, you can log in here. That's it. Login. Here is my account. Let's see it how it is. And if you want to make a outro, anything, this type of thing, thanks for watching this video here. So if you want to make anything here, you can click here, and you want a logo for that. I will also tell you how to make a logo. So guys, let's start. Boom. Click on the toggle render preview. We will start it. Good. This is I think a good one. You can select any one of these intros. So guys, my papers are coming, so I will be some busy until the 6th March, and I will be posting videos after the 6th March. So let's start how to work. So guys, go to the video resolution 1290. Yeah, it is fine. And 30. Yeah, fine. And let's see how much this can be a very good. You have to the intro should be very short if you want the viewers to be fascinated with it. So let's see it again. Forward. Here. Try 7 seconds. What will happen? Let's see. 7 seconds. Yeah, it's good, guys. So let's start with the 7 seconds. Yeah. There's the name. Yeah. Text from the name and write your channel's name. DW. That's it. If I will write Gaming with True, that name will not come because it is the custom font and it's very large indeed. So guys, we have done with this the intro. Now let's see once more. So guys, so we have a very good intro, and now we have to download it. So guys, if your computer is very good, extreme quality, if you want, so you can do extreme quality slow, but it will be very slow, guys. Be careful. Let's start. Start with render. calculating the time. It's very long indeed. Yes guys, it's starting. So guys, until I will show you my channel. This is my channel. Please subscribe my channel, Gaming with True. Hope you like the video. Just you have to like it. The channel, please subscribe my videos. If you don't have subscribed to, please subscribe and like this video. It will take 4 minutes. It's downloading. So guys, it's taking some time. It will take some time, and then when you will download, you can adjust it with a Bandicoot. I will give you the link how to join 2 videos with Bandicoot. It's very easy. I will not make a separate video of this. It is very easy, guys. If you don't, if you have a query, I will. So, guys, if you, I will give you the link of the Bandicoot how to download it, and when you have an intro, want to join any cut anything, this will be very helpful. So, guys, the Bandicoot is a very good, very good, amazing software for editing. For if you want to make your video beautiful, you can use Bandicoot. So I will give you the link in the description below, and please subscribe and view. Please subscribe and like my videos. And now I'm telling you the way how to join the Bandicoot. Join Shuri Bandicoot. First, go to the Bandicoot and click the join. When you join, select 2 videos, 2 or more videos if you want to join. So guys, then you have to do that when you have make them into the sequence, and then click the start, and if choose your name, what your name, what to the video's name, anything it could be, and then start, and then you can done with it. It will be started, and it will be very helpful, guys. So guys, I'm ending this video soon, and hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Yes, guys. 2 minutes wait. Let's explore something. So guys, hope you like the video. Hope you like the video and enjoy the video. So guys, let's see how our download is going on. Let's just download it. Oh, it's taking some time. Much time it is taking. We have to video render and then do your work. It's taking much time. Oh guys, so much time. We don't have to do the extreme quality. Oh, stop. Oh, very much time. I'm bored with it. So guys, we are done with the recording. Sorry, downloading. Now we have to download our video. It was rendered and we have to now download. So guys, click on that, download your video. It will open in a new tab. It is opening. Yeah, I see it's downloaded and open. Yeah guys, it's amazing. So hope you like the video guys. If you like the video, and please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. This is my channel. Please subscribe it and like my video. Please.